17-year-old Florida teenager is charged as mastermind of Twitter hack. The authorities arrested the 17-year-old who they said ran a scheme that targeted the accounts of celebrities including the former President Barack Obama and Elon Musk. Stay connected and wait for the complete news. Florida teen mastermind arrested in connection with the massive Twitter hack. The July 15 hack impacted Joe Biden, Barack Obama, and Elon Musk and other prominent people's Twitter accounts. The Florida teen has been arrested in connection with the massive Twitter hack earlier this month that impacted the accounts of Barack Obama, Elon Musk, Kanye West, and other high-profile users. The 17-year-old Tampa resident who was arrested on Friday was hit with 30 felony charges in connection with the cyber attack, according to the Hillsborough State Attorney Andrew Warren. These crimes were perpetrated using the names of famous people and celebrities, but they are not the primary victims here, Warren said in the statement. The 17-year-old Graham Ivan Clark was the mastermind, the state official said, that hack that turned into the embarrassment for Twitter and called into question the security provided by the range of technology companies. The Florida teenager was arrested earlier Friday and that he hacked around 130 Twitter accounts, including the accounts of celebrities of former Vice President Joe Biden and Silicon Valley mogul Elon Musk. Federal authorities were already tracking Clark before the Twitter hack. In April, the Secret Service seized more than $700,000 worth Bitcoin from him. The Tampa youth faces 30 felony charges, including fraud, and is being charged as an adult. The Twitter hack began in July 15th as an effort to steal and sell unusual usernames. It quickly escalated as hackers took over the accounts belonging to the cryptocurrency companies and celebrities. The scheme netted Bitcoin worth more than $180,000. The hackers tweeted from 45 of the accounts, accessed the direct messages of 36 accounts, and downloaded full information from all 7 accounts. They gained access to internal Twitter systems by stealing login information from employees, then used their access to reset passwords on their accounts. Hackers involved in the breach told the New York Times that they had been quietly selling stolen usernames when one person involved in the group suddenly launched the Bitcoin scam before disappearing. Working together, we will hold this defendant accountable, said Andrew Warren, the state attorney of Hillsborough County, Florida, in a statement. Scamming people out of their hard-earned money is always wrong. Whether you are taking advantage of someone in person or on internet, trying to steal their cash or their cryptocurrency, it's fraud, it's illegal, and you won't get away with it. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more interesting video. Don't forget to click on the notification bell icon.